Today we're making mega candy apples. These things are massive. They're almost 2 pounds. Right now, I'm checking for toys. There was nothing in these. You first want to start by pumping in about 2 to 3 pumps of peanut butter. This is the perfect peanut butter to apple to chocolate to cookie dough ratio. Next, you want to take some cookie dough and wrap your apple. I used Pam on my hands in order to make the perfect cookie dough baseballs. Let them chill with Phil for 30 minutes. Butterfly. I don't know where the butter went, so I'll add some more. I'll just watch it closely this time. Some canned milk, some light brown sugar, some regular sugar, this corn stuff, some salt, and mix-a-lardo. I'm not ready for the hard stuff, so we're just gonna do soft, and plus I got work tomorrow. Some chocolate nuggets, heat them up. Think it's high enough. Let's add some yum yum sauce. It should look like oatmeal. Go ahead and grab your baseballs from Fred and stab them with some chopsticks. Grab a pan and some parchment paper with the parchment side up and dip your apples in caramel. The apples were too big to dunk, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill the top half with some Carmel and then let it chill with Phil for about 30 minutes. I ran out of cookie dough, so we're just going to wrap the other apples in Carmel. This is a hack on how you can wrap your apples. This Carmel is about 110 degrees right now, and the pan keeps it from sticking. And once you're done, you should have something that looks like a baseball. Grab your chocolate nuggets and mix-a-lardo. Next, you want to go ahead and take your apples and see if they have toys. Again, these don't have toys. So now we're going to go ahead and take the chocolate and we're going to coat our apples. When you're done, they should look like chocolate and caramel and apple at the same time. Perfect. Add some sprinkles for color. And now you have a mega baseball. It weighs 1 pound, 11 ounces. Done. I got really big hands, so we're going to compare it to an apple. As you can see, it's like half the size.
Taste test part 2.